In this video I'm going to show you how to add someone to favorites on Instagram. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open Instagram on your iPhone or Android, then select someone you want to add to favorite. Like I'm going to add that person. For that, searching for this one, and as you can see here is that person's profile, and I already following him, and here showing following. Tap on following, and here is options is add to favorite. So if you tap here, and then that person added to favorite. So that way you can add someone to favorites on Instagram, and when that person posting something on like post stories or reels, then it will showing on my home page directly. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next